Disney Minnie. Best Friends. A look and find book. Minnie and Daisy are planning a garden party. First, they will bake tasty cupcakes. Look for these baking things. Minnie loves to share with Daisy. Find these dresses for the friends to try on. Next stop, Clarabelle's shop. Will you help Minnie and Daisy find accessories to match their dresses? Being busy has made Minnie and Daisy extra hungry. Look around the diner for the food they would like to order. It's time to get the pets squeaky clean and super cute for the party. Can you find these grooming items? Everything is better with friends. Minnie and Daisy fly kites with their friends and invite them to the garden party. Find these kites in the sky. Minnie and Daisy have a great time with their guests at the garden party. Find these animal friends who have dropped by to share in the fun. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and share, and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. And for more Mickey Minnie Mouse stories, check out my Mickey Minnie Mouse playlist. And if you enjoyed this story, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Thank you so much for joining me today, and we'll see you all in the next adventure.